Welcome friends. Today we are going to start our third section of the first chapter, which is algebraic extension. First definition is, let E be an extension of F and element alpha belongs to E is said to be algebraic over F if there exist elements a0, a1 up to an such that n is greater equal 1 of field F, not all equal to 0, such that a0 plus a1 alpha plus up to an alpha raised to n equals to 0. If E is an extension of field F and element alpha belongs to field E, we can say that this alpha is algebraic over field F if there exist elements a0, a1 up to an, where this n is greater equal 1, and a0, a1 up to an are the elements of field F, not all equal to 0. It means at least one element among these n elements is non-zero, such that a0 plus a1 alpha plus up to an alpha raised to n is equals to 0. For example, if we set E is equals to set of complex numbers and F is equals to set of real numbers, we know that set of complex numbers is an extension of set of real numbers. That is, here we get this E is an extension of field F. Now we set alpha is equals to I, a0 is equals to 1, a1 is equals to 0 and a2 is equals to 1. Now note that this alpha is equals to I, which is an imaginary number. This alpha belongs to set of complex numbers, and a0, a1 up to a0, a1 and a2 belongs to set of real numbers. And note that not all equal to 0, because here a0 and a2 are non-zero elements. a0 is equals to 1 and a2 is equals to also 1, and 1 is not equals to 0. And a0 plus a1 alpha plus a2 alpha square, which is equals to, what is a0? a0 equals to 1 plus a1 is equals to 0. What is alpha? Alpha is equals to I plus a2 into I square equals to 1 plus 0 into I, 0 plus a2 is equals to 1. What is I square? I square is equals to minus 1, which is equals to 1 plus minus 1, which is equals to 0. That is, for alpha belongs to set of complex numbers, we get a0, a1 and a2 belongs to set of reals, such that a0 plus a1 alpha plus a2 into alpha square equals to 0. So by this definition we can say that alpha is equals to I is algebraic over the set of real numbers. Alpha is equals to R is algebraic over the set of reals, where this alpha belongs to set of complex numbers, and this complex set of complex numbers is extension of set of reals. We can say this definition in other words as, let E be an extension of F and element alpha belongs to E is algebraic over F if there exists a non-constant polynomial p of x belongs to polynomial ring fx, such that p of alpha is equals to 0. Example, if we set again E is equals to set of complex numbers and F is equals to set of real numbers, then for alpha is equals to I belongs to set of complex numbers, we get, or there exists a polynomial p of x equals to x square plus 1, and this polynomial belongs to polynomial ring Rx. And note that degree of p of x is equals to 2, and therefore this is non-constant polynomial. For alpha belongs to set of complex numbers, there exists a polynomial, non-constant polynomial p of x belongs to polynomial ring Rx, such that p of alpha equals to p of I equals to I square plus 1, as p of x is equals to x square plus 1, therefore p of I is equals to I square plus 1, and I square is nothing but minus 1 plus this one equals to 0. Therefore, for alpha belongs to set of complex numbers, there exists a non-constant polynomial p of x belongs to polynomial ring Rx such that p of alpha is equals to 0. And therefore, by this definition, we can say that this alpha is equals to I is algebraic over the set of reals.